electronics are upcoming, and there is huge, tremendous demand of electronics as it was new area. We are located at a very beautiful place. We are located at foothill of famous Corbett National Park, Ramnagar district, Nainital, Uttarakhand. We are in village area, that is Kania. It is about 5 kilometers from Ramnagar. We have mainly three activity: training, service, and consultancy in different domain. Initially, we struggled a lot to execute, to impart, to carry out training, service, and consultancy. But slowly, with the collective efforts of our staff member, faculties, officers, we are doing right now very good job in training, service, and consultancy. Training is a major part of our institute. We have mainly two area: electronics, IT, and mechanical, which is supporting area. In training, we are not imparting only training to individuals, students of engineering college, polytechnic, ITIs. We are also imparting training to the industry professionals and various kinds of a sponsored training program like DRDO, BRS, Aptis, Metro Rail Corporation, SPMIL, and teachers of polytechnic in Uttarakhand, UP, and engineering colleges. We have very good setup. In electronics area, we have automation lab, including that PLC, microcontrollers, robotics, etc. We have IT area where we are conducting various kind of training programs, short term and long term. We have electrical area, we have solar area, we have telecom area, we have PCB design manufacturing area, no doubt we have mechanical area. In these area, we are continuously conducting training program of various kinds. In long-term training program, we have about 80% placement. We have very good network to the industry in the local area, even distance area like you can say Chandigarh also, Gurgaon also, Noida also, Delhi also, even Ahmedabad also. In services area, we are providing job work to industry from mechanical sections, PCB design and manufacturing work, then smart transfer design and manufacturing for a specific need. Then we are also conducting consultancy services. The first time entrepreneur are who are already engaged in the enterprise, like project selection, project report preparation, and complete consultancy on turnkey basis. Now we are self-sufficient. Since last 12 years, we are not getting any recurring grant. We are generating ourselves. We are meeting our recurring grant on continuous basis. Apart from this activity, various kinds of sponsored training program from weaker section we are also getting, like SCST, OBC, EBC, even for all category from DST Government of India, then from AICT like Atal FDP, lot of training program we are getting continuous basis because we have got good recognition in the industry as well as in the ministry of state governments or central government or department of state government or central governments. So this Atal FDP we have got from AICT. Before this FDP, we've already conducted two FDP on various topic. This is basically 5 days online training program. You know that keeping in view the requirement in terms of that accuracy, in terms of the price, automation is required. So keeping in view this point of view, robotics is having huge demand in the industry and continuous it is increasing. So hopefully this program will be very much suitable to the professionals, even faculties who are working in engineering college, polytechnics, etc. So we have a very good infrastructure in the field of robotic. Apart from others, our faculties are also very much trained. We have expert faculties. They will be taking lecture, classes, etc. Apart from this, we have also invited experts from outside so that maximum exposure can get the participants who have joined from today itself. So I hope that we are mutually putting our efforts, your sincere efforts, our sincere efforts will make this program successful. Again, I welcome to our chief guest and participants in ESTC on behalf of ESTC family. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. So now I'll request to our subject matter expert say a few words about robotics FDP.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, hi. Good
Yeah, yeah.
morning, all. I'm Dr. Indrajit Desai, and first of all, I welcome you all for this wonderful FDP session. And I thank organizers for inviting me to share my knowledge on this subject. So, as we have gathered here to learn about the current trends in the technology and robotics in particular, I would like to share my opinion on this future of this technology. Okay, I remember as a kid when computer and internet were a new thing and lot of newspaper were printing the articles mentioning that computers will take away the jobs and computers are threats. However, exactly opposite happened, and with the advent of computer and internet, lot of new opportunities came. People got jobs, research activities also accelerated, and better products came to market. Currently, everybody is witnessing how artificial intelligence and robots are coming in close contact with human beings and helping to make our lives better. So in my opinion, the future is bright and humans, robots and AI will work together to enhance the potential of the human society. So on that note, I welcome you all again and wish you a wonderful and exciting week ahead. And we'll meet again on 4th and 5th day from 10 to 12 a.m. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Thanks a lot, sir, for your valuable words on a FDP. Okay. Now I'll request to our chief guest, sir, to say few words about Atal FDP program and its benefits.
Mm, First of all, let me compliment ESTC for taking initiative under the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, organizing this Atal Online 5-day faculty development program on robotics. It's a wonderful initiative and it is the need of the hour to organize such an important technical program. Main objective of Atal Academy, because this has been there's a concept that has been basically worked out by AICTE, that is a training and learning, and they call it Atal Academy. Atal Academy is to plan and help in imparting quality technical education in the country and to support technical institutions in fostering research, innovation, and entrepreneurship through training in various emerging areas. And as you all know, robotics is one of the very prime and important areas as far as industries is concerned, because robots are widely used in industries such as automobile manufacture to perform simple repetitive tasks, and in industries where work must be performed in environments hazardous to humans. So in all such industries robots play a very important role, and organizing such an important uh, program focusing on robotics, I would like to definitely compliment ESTC. And during these 5 days of this faculty development program, I would like everyone to basically take most advantage of this very important program and take the initiatives forward. So it's time to learn, time to know, and basically it's something we all know what robots are, but what robots do, how they do, and how we can basically use them, that is important. I think within these 5 days, that's what we are going to learn. So I would like to compliment all the participants and all the faculty members who are going to be there with you all to take this initiative forward. Thank you all, and I would like to thank ESTC for inviting me for this very important workshop as chief guest. Thank you.
Okay. Thanks a lot, sir, for your valuable words on our FDP and benefits. Now, on behalf of MSME Electronic Service and Training Center, I would like to thank our chief guest, sir, director training, sir, and subject matter expert who graced us with their thoughts and wisdom that radiated. Thank you to each and every one of you for being here with us today. For 5 days, our presence will be each and every one of you. Now, I want to share one our institute facility of short video. Please, Nayan, please share the short video.
Yes.
Yes, Nayan.
Yes, sir, I'm sharing.
Okay.
Is it visible now? The I have not played, I have just opened the screen. Welcomes you. Is it visible?
Yes, yes, visible.
Okay. So
Please, please.
I'm
Yes.
playing the video.
Okay, thank you, Nayan.
Yes, sir.
Now, yeah, now I'll request to our chief guest, sir, and director, sir, and subject matter expert, and maybe drop out if from this session. And once again, I thank to all joining to our this inauguration program. If time is allowed, they can join, continue. So now the program will go to Mr. Nayan. He will take a next session, and after uh, basically today we have a 3 session: inauguration session and 2 more session, art of living in end of the day. So now, Nayan, you can start your program on robotics.
Thank you, sir.
So thank you to all. Thanks, sir.